Woke up feeling stiff in your hips, like your body's one bad chair away from locking up? Here's your reset before the tension takes over the day. Let's hit the mat. Start in a kneeling position, step your right foot forward into a low lunge. Now move with intention. Gently shift your weight forward and back. Open the hip, then ease out of it. This isn't about speed, it's about awareness. Tight hips pull your posture out of alignment. They drain energy from your core. But this begins a release. I promise, just 30 seconds on each side and you'll feel space returning to your stride. Beginners, keep your hands on your thigh. Advanced switches, reach your arms overhead and add a gentle side bend. This flow sets up the deep hip work we're about to dive into next. Hold the last rep for 5, 4, breathe into it. Now switch legs. Stand with your feet slightly wider than shoulder width. Drop into a squat. Bring your elbows inside your knees, palms together. Now gently rock side to side. Let your hips sink. This move targets your adductors, your inner thighs, and when those loosen up, your lower back finally stops compensating. A deep squat isn't just a stretch, it's a diagnostic. It shows you exactly where your tension hides. Beginners, hold on to a support. Advanced stretches, keep your heels flat and chest tall. Can you sit 1 inch deeper? Let gravity help you out. That just unlocked your hips. Now let's support that change from the ground up. Sit down, extend your left leg out, hug your right knee into your chest. Breathe here, drop your shoulders, let your spine elongate. You're not just releasing your hip flexors, you're sending a signal to your nervous system. We're not rushing, we're restoring. I promise this move is one of the gentlest ways to decompress the lower spine. If one side feels tighter, it's often the side you rely on more without realizing it. Now switch to the left leg. Same hug, same breath. Five more seconds. Stay in it. Let's deepen that release now. Come into a tabletop. Slide your right knee forward and your foot across your mat. Extend your back leg behind you and fold forward slowly. This is one of the deepest glute stretches you'll do all week, especially if you sit often. Beginners, use a block under your hip. Advanced stretches, walk your arms out and melt into it. The piriformis muscle we're targeting here can compress the sciatic nerve when it's tight. Free it, and your whole stride changes. Now switch legs. You earned this last one. Let's close it with presence. Stand tall, hinge at your hips and fold forward. Let your arms hang, soften your knees if needed. Now try adding gentle toe sweeps. Reach across to the opposite foot and slowly return to center. Alternate. This lengthens your hamstrings, decompresses your spine, and calms your nervous system. I promise this is where release turns into rhythm. Can you let go of tension without resisting? Breathe into the tightness instead of fighting it. Exhale. You made it.